POSetup is a strange program you can notice in your system, both among the files and in Task Manager. It may also confuse you with different windows popping up at a random moment. That program appears to be a kind of unwanted software that falls in a category of adware. In this video, I will explain what are the dangers of this program and how to remove it. So, the quick research shows that POSetup comes from a company Premier Opinion that takes part in some obscure market research. They sponsor applications that install their software along with their own one, allowing the company to do this research on specific users. But just a closer look at how this thing works clearly shows that it all has its own name in cybersecurity world. It is an adware-like program. Most commonly, users complain about this program showing survey windows each time you open a shopping site in your browser. While this may look like a legitimate purpose, it can be a bit questionable in terms of privacy and personal data protection. Also, it looks like the program starts showing promotions of different websites soon after getting some data about you and your shopping preferences from the mentioned surveys. So even though it is not as intrusive anodyne as you would expect adware to be, it still brings enough distraction. Though what makes this program really unwanted is the ways it gets into the system. As I said, the developers of POSetup sponsor different freeware for including their app into the installation. You can casually try installing some programs from the web, and out of nowhere this thing steams in. No warning, no clear "sorry I don't want it" button or anything like that. It just gets installed no matter what you think about it. Also, such installers often include not one, but a whole bunch of software, which is yet another red flag for all this situation. But okay, let me show you how to remove POSetup. It may look like it is not too complicated to deal with, because there is a clearly visible folder in Program Files directory. However, as it usually happens with sketchy software, there are a lot of other places this unwanted app spreads its files to. Tracing them all, especially considering there may be other unwanted apps, is not an easy task even for an experienced PC user. For that reason, I recommend using Soft Anti-Malware. This program will quickly find and delete any unwanted programs, regardless of where they came from. Download it by the link in the video description and run a full scan. That will make the program scan even the most remote parts of the system, so nothing will get away. The scan will take around 15 minutes. After the scan, click the Clean Now button to remove all the detected elements. As there may be a lot of detected items, the removal may also take a minute or two. Now the system is clean. Good luck and stay safe online.